Hello students, how are you? So today we are start the next lectures and that is a collection of the previous years of reproductive health. So now we started with the Hindi dialogue that is जिंदगी जीना आसान नहीं होता बिना संघर्ष के कोई महान नहीं होता जब तक न पड़े हथौड़े की चोट पत्थर भी भगवान नहीं होता। सो ये बात आपको समझना होगा और चलिए करते हैं हम लोग स्टार्ट इन इंग्लिश। 27 number question. A childless couple can be assisted to have a child through a technique called GIFT. The full form from these techniques is gamete intrafallopian transfer. So the option first is the best option for it. So now next question number 28. Assisted reproductive techniques that is IVF involve the transfer of ovum into the fallopian tube, zygote into the fallopian tube, zygote into the uterus, embryo with the 16 blastomeres into the fallopian tube. So now tell me student, assisted reproductive techniques that is IVF involve the transfer of what? What transfer of? So basically we know the transfer of zygote into the fallopian tube because IVF intrafallopian transfer is the process of the fertilization, okay, by manually combining an egg and sperms in the laboratory dish, okay. So the process involves the monitoring the stimulating a women's evolutionary process, removing ovum from women's ovaries and letting a sperm fertilize and then fluid medium into the laboratory. So because the culturing into 2 to 6 days, okay students, so that the pregnancies get successfully. So the option is the zygote into the fallopian tube. So option B is more correct. Okay. Now next 29 number question. Artificial insemination means what the meaning of artificial insemination short AI, okay. So read carefully. Transfer of sperms of the husband to a test tube containing ova. Artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. Introduction of sperms of the healthy donor directly into the ovary. Transfer of the sperms of the healthy donor to a test tube containing ova. So what is the meaning of artificial insemination? So basically in artificial insemination AI techniques, the semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced into the vagina or the uterus. It is also known as an intrauterine insemination of the female. So the best option is that the option number B, that is artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. Okay, so now the next student, question number 13. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding sexually transmitted disease, shortly STDs? So now tell me, the chance of a 5-year boy contacting a STD is a very little. A person may be contact syphilis by sharing milk with one already suffering from the disease. Hemophilia is one of the STDs. Genital herpes and sickle cell anemia are both STDs. So tell me now students, what is the correct regarding the STDs? So can you know this answer? So basically I'll detail telling you. So the options here, the option A is more better because I will explain you. Studies are the most common in when the studies occurs. You know the year of the 15 to 24 years. The young years mostly are get trapped into the sex co-activity. So are basically occur in this 15 to 24 years age group. Okay, gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, Trichomonasis, hepatitis B, and AIDS are the some common studies. Okay, hemophilia is a sex-linked receive disease. We saw its transfusion from the unaffected carrier female to the sum of the male pregnancy. Okay, student. So the more correct and more nearby option is the option number A. Now the question number 31. The stage transferred into the uterus after the induced fertilization of ova in the laboratory is. So induced fertilization, that means you have to understand basically forcefully fertilization by external forces are involved. So induced fertilization, so this is the word, the meaning of the induced you can understand easily. Okay, so what is the basically answer of it? So the stage transferred into the uterus after the induced fertilization of ova in the laboratory is the morula. Okay, the words morula, because in the intrauterine transfer IUT embryo with more than 8 blastomere stage, 8 blastomere stage known as a morula. You well known thing. Okay, so is used for the transfer into the uterus. So basically the 8 cell stage actually consisting of the 6 cells, okay, developed by the 3 of the women embryo developing. So okay student, so this is option is option number D, morula. Now the question number 32. The test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Tell me. Test tube baby program employs the which of the following techniques? Intracytoplasmic sperms injections, intrauterine insemination, gamete intrafallopian transfer, zygote intrafallopian transfer. So what is the best option? So the test tube baby, also known as the zygote intrafallopian transfer, there is a gift. Okay, there is a also gift. Okay, gift. This. Now the next students, because why? Yes, I can explain very easily. Test tube baby program employs zygote intrafallopian transfer, there is gift techniques. In this techniques, basically what is happening, fusion of the ovum and sperm is done outside of the body of the women to form zygote, which is allowed to divide from 8 blastomeres, then it is transferred to the fallopian tube of the women. So this is also known as a test tube baby or zygote intrafallopian transfer. So the best option is that option number D. Yes student, option number D. So now we have Hindi collection. ओके, जितना बड़ा सपना होगा उतनी ही बड़ी तकलीफ़ होगी, और जितनी बड़ी तकलीफ़ होगी उतनी ही बड़ी कामयाबी होगी. सो आपको बेस्ट से बेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज मिलेगा यदि आप मेहनत करते हो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट एट 33 number question. Medical termination of pregnancy, there is MTP is considered safe up to how many weeks of the pregnancy? So 12 weeks. There is a third trimester basically. So it is very easy questions. Okay, now we can go to the question number 34. The techniques called gamete intrafallopian transfer, there is GIFT, is recommended for those females who cannot produce an ovum, who cannot retain the fetus inside the uterus, who cannot cervical canal into the too narrow to the allow passage to the sperms, and the option D, who cannot provide the suitable environment for the fertilization. So as you know, as we know that GIFT is recommended for those females who cannot produce an ovum. Okay, so that's for the best things. Okay, because the question number 35. So okay student, the option A is the most appropriate for here. Gift. 35 number question. Consider the statement given below regarding contraception and answer the directly thereafter. So medical termination of pregnancy, that is MTP, during the first trimester is generally safe. Okay. Generally chances of conception are nil until mother breastfeed the infant up to 2 years. Now we go to the next options. Intrauterine device like copper T or the effective contraceptive. Contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after required to prevent the conception. So which one of the following statement are correct? So as we know, the students, the best and appropriate option is the option number. This medical termination of pregnancy during safe up to generally trimesters, first trimester, option one here, and also the intrauterine device like copper T or the effective contraceptive. So where one and third option number C, okay, option number C are correct here. So now the last question of this session. Test tube baby is one of who is born out of the artificial insemination, has undergoes development in the test tube, is born out of the techniques of the fertilization in vitro, has developed without fertilization. Okay. So test tube baby is one who, in the test tube baby, what is basically happening? Fertilization of the sperms and the ova is carried out in the laboratory condition. Okay, that is in vitro. And when the embryo have the reaching the 22 cell stage, from the morula stage, it is implanted into the back to the uterus of the mothers. Okay, so the option has test tube baby is one who has also the is born out of the techniques of the fertilization in vitro, that is laboratory outside the their women body. Okay, so now the session today is stop.